Who is Bradical? Well, I'm a professional artist who's come a long way since I was a cartoon watching, comic book reading, doodling machine. And that's still who I am. In middle school, I was selected to draw the cover of a school's yearbook. However, let's just say my interest in school was below minimal. I was constantly told that superhero stories are for kids and I should focus on schoolwork to get a real job. Well, I failed biology because I refused to dissect a frog. So unfortunately, I was pulled out of art class, which left my love for drawing in the dust. Later in life, I picked up a skateboard and found a new way to be creative. I began working at the local skate shop where I was surrounded by fascinating board graphics. I would often doodle ideas for brands I liked, and I kept telling myself that I wanted to learn how to create logos. However, the world was still telling me to get a real job. This passion led me to work within an industry where I helped young skateboarders along their careers. And through this community, I found my friends with similar interests and reminded me that you like what you like and no one can tell you differently. A close friend of mine gave me a graphic novel that just about exploded the right side of my brain, and my love for comic books was reborn. I began to follow top brands and professional artists, and I came across a How to Draw Spider-Man virtual event. I instantly grabbed a notebook and a pencil, and since that moment, I have made it my life mission to influence people to embrace the inner child and unleash the right side of their brain. We all loved something deeply creative as a kid, but left it behind because of what the world told us to do. If you're passionate about drawing, painting, or any form of creating, you can always find time for it, and it could lead to a very successful career, as well as an extensive life of happiness. So, are you ready to start your creative journey?